Today we're going to learn about similarity. Over here we have two triangles, a small triangle and a big triangle. Now, we have to prove that these two triangles are similar and find the length of the missing side. So, let's do that. Now, as you can see in both triangles, they have congruent angles. The reason why we know that is because the corresponding angles both are congruent. The way we know that is, for example, let's take this angle, for instance, that has one dash across the angle side. Yeah, and the bigger triangle also has one dash across the angle side. So that means that these two corresponding angles are similar. And this goes the same for the other two angles. So that means all three angles are congruent. All three corresponding angles are congruent. So, we know that by the AAA conjecture, otherwise known as angle conjecture, we know that these two triangles are similar. So, another way that we could prove that is if two angles were similar, then the other one would have to be similar because the other angle would have to be similar because all three angles have to add up to 180 degrees. So if two corresponding angles are similar to each other, the third one would have to be similar. So we could just break this down into the AA conjectures. So now let's go to the part where we solve for the missing side. So we know that the corresponding side length of 3 is 9. And we know that the corresponding side length of 4 is 12. Now, we know that the third side on the smaller triangle is 5. We also know that there's a scale factor of 3 because 3 times 3 is 9 and 4 times 3 is 12. So we have to multiply 5 by 3, which is equal to 15. So, we got our answer, 15 units. Today we learned about similarity.